There is no local service to Manhattan today. All Manhattan-bound Q trains will be running express from Kings Highway to Church Avenue. For all past station stops, including Newkirk, takes this train to Church Avenue, and at Church Avenue transfer over to a Coney Island-bound Q train. Once again,